As mentioned in the previous episode, the ancient Egyptian history spanned for nearly 3 millennia, and it's divided into royal bloodlines called dynasties. And they are given numbers, not names, in a total of 30 dynasties. This division was created by a Greco-Egyptian historian called Manetho, who lived during the 3rd century BCE, and we still follow his division till today. So some dynasties had like 14 kings, and some had a king or two. And even some dynasties overlapped together, and not all dynasties were of a pure Egyptian bloodline. Some were invaders, like the Hyksos and the Persians, and some were foreign recruits enlisted in the army and eventually rose to power.